So the implementation process of Azure Bastion is really simple, but before going with the implementation of Azure Bastion, let's get simple remote connectivity with this virtual machine. So process is really simple. Type MSTSC and put the IP address of this virtual machine, and then click connect. And here you can see that now this virtual machine is asking for the password, and when I put the password, it will be simply connected with this virtual machine. And here you can see we get the remote desktop connection with this virtual machine. And right now I'm connected with this virtual machine, but as I discussed that this process is not secure. So right now we are going with the implementation of Azure Bastion to protect our virtual infrastructure from all kinds of attacks and network scanning. So before going with the implementation of Azure Bastion, I'm just going to remove this public IP address from my virtual machine. So by that way, this virtual machine will not be exposed over the internet, and then we will integrate this virtual machine with Azure Bastion. So this process is very simple. Just click on the networking section over here, and then just click NIC public IP and click on it. And here you can see disassociate. So just click on this option and click yes. So this public IP address will be removed from this virtual machine, and then we will move with the implementation of Azure Bastion. So we will wait for a few seconds, and this VM will save this configuration changes over here, and then we will go with the implementation of Azure Bastion, which is really simple, and within a few clicks we can easily implement this secure technology for our virtual infrastructure. And here you can see we get the message saved network interfaces, and we can also verify from networking section of this virtual machine. And here you can see that now this virtual machine is running without any public IP address, and it has only a simple private IP address. So let's start implementation of Azure Bastion.